Super crunchy, loved by all, and extremely simple to prepare. Let's make piping hot Moong Dal Pakodas along with some yummy green chutney. I have here 2 cups of yellow moong dal that I had washed and soaked for 2 hours and excess water drained. Now I'm transferring the dal into the grinder. Along with this, I'm grinding 2 inches of ginger and 4 green chilies. Let's put this to grind. Moong dal is ground into a thick mixture. Let's transfer it into a big bowl. What we need to do next is whisk the dal batter for 3 to 4 minutes. This will help to aerate the batter, giving us spongy, light and fluffy pakoras. Time to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of crushed black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of amchur powder or dry mango powder, 4 green chillies chopped, 4 tablespoons of green coriander leaves chopped, and 4 teaspoons of salt. Mix in, and the pakora mixture is ready. I have here oil on heat. Let's drop small sections of the batter into the hot oil. If you are not comfortable dropping the batter by hand, you can even use a spoon. Let the pakoras fry on medium heat, turning them from all the sides. Crispy and golden, let's take them out. Serve them with fried chilies and of course the green chutney. For the chutney, I am taking 4 tablespoons of green coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, 2 inches of ginger, 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 ice cubes instead of water to retain the vibrant green color of the chutney. Simply grind this and what you will have is yummy green chutney to go along with piping hot moong dal pakodas. Enjoy! Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.